Hi friends, Tulipical Makeup is with you, and today we are doing a glowing mint night out makeup. This makeup will look great on tan skin, and mint color will enhance and enrich my model's red hair color. So let's not waste the time and get into it. The main tasks for this makeup will be to get rid of dark under-eye circles, hide age-related changes, and it can be deep nasolabial or glabellar wrinkles, to make skin hydrated and to create lifting effect. Gently cleanse the skin. To moisturize the skin well, I use a serum based on grape seeds. It not only narrows the pores, but also holds sebum very well. To prepare the skin around the eyes, I use a special cream that has tiny golden particles in it. It is a very cool product for those who want to hide dark under-eye circles. But it's very important, guys, to wait more or less 5 minutes for the products to be well absorbed. Next step, applying a moisturizing foundation. Concealer. I highlight the under-eyes area and all the places where there are depressions, such as nasolabial and glabellar wrinkles, the space under the eyebrows. I use the following methods here. One brush applies the product, another blends it out. It will help you to do accurate blending. A light layer of highlighter to set the foundation. After that, I use color compact powder. The main thing here is not to overdo it. Applying blue creamy eyeshadows. I love eyeshadow palettes where you can create the colors you need by yourself. Applying on the mobile eyelid and blending the edges. In order to get a mint shade, I put warm sparkles to the center of the mobile eyelid. Adding more sparkles closer to the edge of the eye. Next step is to make the brow space dry. Darken the corners and blend out the eyeshadows with a lighter color. I'm going to fill the lower eyelid with the green shade product. Drawing thin wings and shading their endings, applying first brown and then black eyeshadows. Working with waterline. I'm filling it with brown, but only till the middle of the eye, and then blending the border of it. Drawing the eyebrow hairs and combing them with colored eyebrow gel. Mascara. I style the lashes not just up, but up and to the side, to get this eye-lifting effect. In the same way, I'm going to add beamform eyelashes. Dry correction of cheekbones. Mascara to the lower eyelashes. Contouring the lips. And applying lipstick of natural color. And voila! How do you like the result of such a transformation? All the links to the products which we are using this makeup you can find in the description down below. Darlings, if you enjoyed the time we've spent, please put your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also follow Tulipical Makeup on Instagram. And see you soon.